Equality, a concept with many faces. The concept of equality is deeply ingrained in the human psyche. From the earliest civilizations to the modern day, people have yearned for a world where everyone is treated with fairness and respect, where everyone has the opportunity to reach their full potential, and where no one is left behind. But what does equality truly mean? How should it be understood and implemented in society? At its most fundamental level, equality means that all individuals have equal moral worth. This means that everyone, regardless of their race, gender, social class, or other characteristics, is deserving of the same basic rights and opportunities. But beyond this basic principle, there is a wide range of interpretations of equality, each with different implications for how society should be organized. Different conceptions of equality. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common conceptions of equality. Formal equality. This is the most basic and widely accepted form of equality. It means that all individuals are equal before the law and should be treated the same way regardless of their personal characteristics. This means that everyone should have equal access to the legal system, equal protection under the law, and equal rights to participate in the political process. Equality of opportunity. This conception of equality goes beyond formal equality by focusing on ensuring that everyone has an equal chance to succeed in life. It recognizes that some individuals may face disadvantages due to factors like poverty, discrimination, or lack of access to education and healthcare. Equality of opportunity seeks to level the playing field by addressing these barriers and providing everyone with the tools and resources they need to thrive. Equality of outcome. This is the most controversial and debated conception of equality. It focuses on achieving equal results or outcomes for everyone, regardless of their abilities or effort. This could mean redistributing wealth, ensuring equal representation in various sectors, or guaranteeing a certain minimum standard of living for all. Proponents argue that this is necessary to create a truly just society, while critics argue that it can stifle individual initiative and lead to an overly intrusive state. Implications of different conceptions. Each of these conceptions of equality has different implications for how society is structured, how resources are allocated, and what role the government plays in promoting equality. Formal equality. While essential for a just society, formal equality alone may not be enough to address deep-seated inequalities. If certain groups are systematically disadvantaged, simply treating everyone the same may not be enough to ensure that everyone has a fair chance to succeed. Equality of opportunity. This approach focuses on removing barriers to success and creating a level playing field. It can lead to policies such as affirmative action, anti-discrimination laws, and investments in education and healthcare. While this can help to address more inequalities, it may not fully address structural issues that perpetuate disadvantage. Equality of outcome. This approach aims to create a more equal society in terms of results such as income, wealth, or representation. This can involve policies like progressive taxation, social welfare programs, and quotas. While this can lead to greater equality in some areas, it also raises questions about individual freedom, incentives, and the role of the state. Debates and challenges. The concept of equality is not without its complexities and challenges. There are ongoing debates about which conception of equality is more just and how to best achieve it. Some key questions that arise include: is equality of opportunity sufficient, or should we strive for equality of outcome? What is the proper role of government in promoting equality? Should it focus on ensuring formal equality, or should it intervene more actively to promote equality of opportunity or outcome? How do we balance equality with other important values like individual liberty, economic efficiency, and cultural diversity? These are complex questions with no easy answers. They require careful consideration of the different conceptions of equality and their potential consequences.